Good afternoon, Honorable Chairperson, Co-Chairperson, and delegates present here. I am Sachit Bhushan Mondal presenting my paper on mindfulness, emotion regulation, and their relationship with physical health. I want to start with a brief description of mindfulness first. Several scholars have tried to define mindfulness from several angles and perspectives, but due to time constraint, I am not going to detail it. But taking all the definitions together, we can say mindfulness is a semi-consistent trait or a meditation-induced state that enables people to be flexibly aware over their present life experiences with an attitude of non-reactivity and detachment. The construct mindfulness has been psychometrically defined in several ways, but the best psychometric working definition was given by Baer et al. In 2006. According to their definition, mindfulness comprises 5 dimensions. First is observing, which is noticing your inner experiences minutely. Second is describing, that is ability to describe your inner experiences with words. Acting with awareness is doing activities of the present moment with being fully conscious of them. Non-judgment of inner experiences and non-reactivity to inner experiences are the dimensions, are the tendencies which focuses on the ability to non-evaluate or being tolerant over your emotional or non-emotional experiences. Several earlier researches showed that mindfulness is effective for reducing a lot of physical or psychological symptoms. And in this slide I have displayed some of those earlier studies. My second predictor is emotion regulation. According to John and Gross, there are two types of emotion regulation. The first is cognitive reappraisal and second is expression suppression. Reappraisal controls emotions by cognitively manipulating or restructuring the initial emotional cues at the initial phase, which leads to betterment of physical health. On the contrary, suppression controls emotion by inhibiting the behavioral responses that can yield negative physical or psychological symptoms. Similarly, mindfulness is also found to be associated with emotion regulation dimensions. It is associated positively with cognitive reappraisal but negatively with expression suppression. On the basis of these earlier observations, the aim of this present study is to know how and to what extent mindfulness is associated with reduction of physical ill health, to find out the nature and degree of association of emotion regulation dimensions with physical ill health, to explore how and to what extent mindfulness state is related with emotion regulation dimensions, and to construct a causal model in order to explain the complex interrelationships among the variables. Hypothesis: mindfulness would be negatively associated with physical ill health. Cognitive reappraisal would be negatively associated with physical ill health, but suppression would be positively associated with it. The trait mindfulness would be positively associated with cognitive reappraisal but negatively with expression suppression. Emotion regulation dimensions would potentially mediate the relationship of mindfulness state with physical ill health. This study was conducted on a sample of 115 people belonging to different regions of the city of Varanasi. Stepwise regression table shows that in predicting the variance of physical ill health, reappraisal emerged as the best predictor, followed by suppression. Reappraisal explains 6.7% of the total variance, whereas suppression explains 6.4%. Mindfulness, the dimensions of mindfulness are positively associated with reappraisal but negatively with suppression. Now, on the basis of this correlational pattern, we have constructed a causal model with the hypothesis that emotion regulation dimension would mediate the relationship of mindfulness with physical ill health. But this model was found to be unacceptable on the basis of goodness of fit indices provided by Amos 16. So we have made two minor modifications. First, modifications were made on the basis of the post hoc modification indices suggested by Amos 16. The first modification is reappraisal was allowed to influence non-reactivity and reappraisal was again allowed to influence observations. And this model was found to be acceptable. And in this model, the continuous line shows the direct significant effect and the dotted line shows direct insignificant effects. And there was no mediation found. Now, the pattern of result of my study shows that the first three hypotheses of my study can be accepted, but the last hypothesis, that is the mediating hypothesis, cannot be accepted, because the emotion regulation dimensions did not mediate the relationship of mindfulness with physical ill health. Rather, the cognitive reappraisal dimension of emotion regulation leads to more sophisticated emotional management mechanism, which in turn enhances our physical health or physical status. Thank you.